Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can turn on Windows Defender or real-time protection in Windows 11. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to just click on Windows icon and here search for settings and click on it. And here you can see privacy and security option. So you have to just click on Windows security. And here you can see virus and threats protection. So you click on it and just scroll down and here you can see virus and threats protection settings. So if we want to turn it on, so we have to just click on manage settings. And here you can see turn off or turn on button. Click on here and click on yes. So guys, you can see our Windows and threats protection or Windows Defender is enabled successfully. So guys, in this way you can turn on Windows Defender or real-time protection in Windows 11 very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.